All right, guys. Well, it's been a very, very, very tough night. I've been working and I'm somewhat exhausted. All right, so you're welcome. This is just a short video to show you how to use the exam portal. You understand? Like I've dropped in the group, to log in, you can use your matric number. You understand? You can use your matric number. So when you use your matric number, it's like you know your password. You understand? You know your password, so enter the password. That one is part of the message I dropped in the group. So once you enter your password, you log in. When you log in like this, whether you are using a phone or a computer, uh, whether you are using a phone or a computer, it's still the same process. The only thing is that it's the one on the phone may not show well like this. It may not show like this because it's the exact way to show on your, on your computer when you're writing the exam. So those of you that have a PC, I advise you use your computer so that you enjoy it. It's showing well on phone too, but not in this exact format. The phone would have scattered some things, but you can do it on phone. So now I want to do any course. When you log in, this is what it's going to show you. You understand? If I want to do any course, I just click on the course. For instance, let me use NOE 107, for example, or Mark 111 because we've uploaded Mark 111 too. Yes, in the exam too, this is how this page will show. This is the instruction page to tell you everything about this exam, the instruction, the time you have for it. Once you read this page and you understand it very well, you click on start exam. A warning page will still show to tell you that hope you understand what it entails. Once you click on start exam, it means you are confirming that you understand. So when I click on it, yes, these are my questions. I can select any option. For the multiple choice question, OBJ, when you've selected a question before and probably you want to change or you want to clear the whole thing at all, if you just want to change to another option, you can click on another option, it will change. But if you want to clear the whole thing as if you've not answered it, click on clear my choice here. When you click on clear my choice, you see this question has been cleared. But let's say I just choose something, but fill in the gap, you type your answer, type your answers, message, next. So you continue like that, you continue answering. When you are tired, for instance, you know the questions are much. I fetch as much as 300 questions, 350 questions for some of the courses. So this is what you will do. For instance, if I just want to answer 100 questions in this my 1 hour that I want to try it, or if I just want to answer like maybe 50 questions, once you get to the question, the last question you want to answer, you scroll down to the last question. Then click on the, look at my cursor here, you click on that last question, question 372. Once you click on it, the submit button would have shown. Yes, the submit button would have shown. So if you click on finish attempt or you click on submit and finish, it's still the same thing. So if you are using your PC, you may need to, zoom in so that you can see the submit button at the bottom because there are a lot of questions is showing. So you will need to zoom it in so that the submit button will show. Look at it there. This red one is one you click on. The green one is to cancel. That means you still want to return to the attempt. But this one is submit. Once you click on it, it will show you your grade instantly. Look at it. This is what I scored from what I've just done. I answered 5 questions and luckily without even looking at what I'm pressing, I scored 5. So that is how to use it. It's very simple. Then when you are done, you can, of course, log out. This is log out here. Once you log out, it takes you to, and I click on log out now. Okay, I think my log out is not functioning. But if you log out on your end there, it's going to take you back to the home page, and that is all. You can try another course. Enjoy.